See, no, this is not right. Oh, Callie's like, what? What is this stuff? There's something wrong here. Yeah. It's the blizzard of 2018 here in Louisiana. It's snow! Snow everywhere. That's not good. Look at my dog. She's like, Mama, Mom, Mom. Yeah. So it's snowing. It's like 25 degrees. It is 7 o'clock in the morning. This is prior to coffee. And yeah, it's not good. Look. Yeah, you guys up north, y'all sent this crap down here. So in the state of Louisiana, when you have snow situations like this, everything shuts down. And I was talking to Josh about this yesterday, because when we came back from getting this vehicle, we stopped to eat. And we probably got, I don't know, inch, 2 inches. And I asked Josh, why do they shut the state down when it snows so slightly? And he said it was because the state of Louisiana abolished the Snow Tire Act that requires snow tires on school buses. They did that to supposedly save money. And so now school buses are not equipped to handle the snow. Which, I don't know if y'all know or not, but I drove a school bus for 7 years. While I was going to cosmetology school. And delivering the newspaper at night. This is when my boys were seniors in high school. I had to have 3 jobs. Because I had 2 seniors at the same time. So I drove a school bus, had my cosmetology shop, and delivered newspapers at night. So they abolished the Snow Tire Act that required snow tires on school buses during the winter months because we never get snow. And I can vouch for not having snow tires on school buses in the parish that I drove a school bus in. We weren't required to have those. So schools are shut down, and my grandboys will be spending the day with me. They'll be hanging out while I work because my daughter has to work and schools are closed. So it is the blizzard of 2018, and yeah, it's pretty, but I'm like, okay, I still gotta work. As long as I have power, I'll be working. So I just wanted to share my blizzard videos with y'all. Y'all stay warm. My fire is roaring. It's warm and toasty up in there, and it's cold as crap out here. So that's it for me. Oh my God, I think my dog is like, what is this stuff? That's it for me, and until next time, I'll see y'all later. Holy crap, I need coffee.